Hi guys, Hackagate here, and in today's video we're gonna be making a space game, and in which we're gonna have a spaceship going through space dodging some asteroids. It's very simple to make and it's very easy. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, nothing really happens when you hit it. So I'm gonna code that right now. I'm gonna go to rocket ship, and now we want to code again in this one, and after go to front layer we're gonna put a forever, and in that an if. So if touching Giga Rock, if touching Dwayne the Rock Johnson, I call him Giga Rock. We want to change the health by like -20. Then we're gonna switch the costume to another costume which I'm making right now. In this I want it to be like explosions and stuff, so here let me make a montage of this very slow. Yes, I think this is enough. Let's just make this as well. So yeah, that's explosions and stuff happening right there. We wanted to change its costume to A2, and we want to play a sound. Let's just choose a sound. Yeah, that's more of an explosion. Oops! Crunch, crunch, crunch. Crunch. We want to be loud and slow. So yeah, that's fine. And we want to go to sound, play sound, crunch until done. And switch costume back to its original one. So choose this. Yeah, let's not play it. Yeah, so then we want another if, same thing, except instead of doing the rock, I'm gonna put rock, and I'm gonna put an or from operators, duplicate rock, same thing except rock 2, and instead of -20 we're gonna put -10. Because these are small rocks, they're not doing the Rock Johnson. So let's see, it should work by now. Let's see if I get damage. Again. Yeah, so I think we're done over here, except one thing, that if the health is when this clicked forever, if health less than 0, less than, let's say, 1, then we want it to self-destruct or like stop all basically, and we want it to change its costume to game over. Yeah, now it should work. Okay. And doing. So yeah, we want it to go to 0 0 as well. Go to 0 0 and also go to front. Yeah, so I think it works. Let's just play some music in background. Yeah, I think that space is nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and in forever, I'm just gonna drag this from the sounds, place this sound until done. Oh wait, if I put it here, then it won't ever play that. And just do it normally. When flag click forever, play sound dark space until done. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And you can always comment any games you want me to make. So bye bye till my next video.